Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a hair review for you guys from a wig company called Eullair. Eullair, I think that's what it's called. Anyways, I'm going to take it out and show you what I got. Now, I got a bob. It's their lace front wig, short, straight bob wig, you guys. Yeah. And the length is 12 inches. And it's Brazilian. And here we go. Here's the wig. It's 12 inches, like I said. And the hair looks good. It feels soft, you guys. And here's how the wig is inside. It is a lace front and it has the 3 combs and 1 at the back, make 4. And it has the adjustable straps at the side. And this is how the wig is constructed. And it is a lace front. And they said the knots are bleached, which is good. It looks bleached. And it is pre-plucked, which the hairline looks good, you guys. You see that? Yep, it looks good. And the hair is nice and soft. The ends look good too. And here is the wig on, you guys. If you'd like to see how I slayed this wig, then stay tuned. Alright everyone, here's the wig on my head. Now I'm going to have my daughter, she's helping me to slay this wig. And we are using the Got To Be Freeze Spray. That's all I'll be using. Now she's just putting some on before she cuts the lace. And then she's just going to dry it with the blow dryer here to help it dry a little faster. Sorry about her arm being in the way, you guys. I didn't notice till after. Okay, so now she's going to cut the lace. You can cut your lace first if you choose to, but this is how she does it. So we're just slaying this wig the way my daughter does it for me. Okay, she's laying down the lace here around the ears, as you guys can see. And with some of these lace front wigs, you guys, the lace will drop a little bit longer than your ears, but that's okay. Just part out the hair, and then you just cut the part that's below your ears. Just a little piece sometimes you'll have to cut off, like she's going to show you here. See, she's just dividing the hair that's over your ears, and then she's just going to snip off just that little piece. And then the wig will lay down perfect now. And now we're just adding some more freeze spray to hold down by the ears. Then now we're just using the blow dryer and drying it a little bit more. This freeze spray is very nice. The Got To Be freeze spray. It's very nice. You don't have to use the Got To Be glue. You could use the freeze spray too. It's more like if you don't want a hold for days, then this is good. If you're just going out for the day and you want to wear your lace front wig, then this is great. Your lace frontal wig, then this is great. And now she's just adding some curls to the hair. Just straighten, not really curls, she's just straightening it out a bit for me with the flat iron. You guys, she was putting some baby hairs, but I told her I don't want a lot of baby hairs. I don't really like it that way, so we're just having it like this. And now she's just gonna cut some little bangs. The bangs, there's a bit of bangs there, but she's just gonna cut it a little bit to help shape it more to my face. You know, when you get your wig, you can style it to your liking to suit your face. And here's the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love it. The slayage on this wig is off the roof. It looks so natural and it is soft, you guys. OMG. I'm absolutely loving it. Look at it. It looks like it's my hair. What wig? No wig up in here. No, this is mine. It looks so natural. OMG. And it's 150 density, you guys. It looks so real and natural. It looks like it's mine. This is how my hair looked when I used to perm it. OMG. I love it. Eullair, oh, I love your straight bob. I absolutely love it. And look at the ends, you guys. The ends are nice. The ends are nice. The hair is so silky and soft. OMG. And look at that. Look at that. Look at the hair, you guys. Look at the hairline. OMG. It looks so natural. It does not look like I have on a wig. The slayage on this wig is for real. I like it. I think it looks very nice. And the hair is so soft. I can't stop touching it. It is so soft and nice. And the wig feels nice and light on my head. And here we go. Here's the back. Look how it flows, you guys. OMG. I just can't sing OMG. I absolutely love this wig. Eullair, your game is on. And I forgot to mention, you guys, I didn't add no concealer or anything to my part. And you see how it looks so natural? Because they bleached the knots. OMG. It looks so nice. I didn't have to add anything. And you can part the wig anywhere because it is a frontal. Alright, you guys. When I was waiting for this wig after I ordered it, it didn't take long. The shipping was very fast. Tutus, my wig was here. And then, you know, you guys, it's a wig, so there is no work. You know, no sewing, no anything like that, which is nice. Which I liked. This is my initial review of this short straight bob wig. And remember, you guys, it's pre-plucked, it's bleached. Like I said, it comes ready for you from Eullair. I'm going to leave some info in the description box so you guys can go over and check them out. And I have a coupon code down there for you guys too. And everything, so you guys can get a little something off of this here if you choose to buy it, which I hope you do. Because don't you see, the slayage is real. It looks so natural and nice, and it's soft, you guys. OMG. So just go down below in the description box and click on the link and go over and see what they have. And there's different lengths. You can get it shorter, you can get it longer, and they have other styles over there for you to choose from also. Alright, you guys, I will be back with more updates and tell you how this hair is faring. And thank you for coming on and seeing my review on how I slayed this wig from Eullair. Alright, everybody. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye.